Today we learn Have you seen the cuckoo bird poem? Hello kids, let's start. At first we know about the cuckoo bird. Cuckoo. The cuckoo bird is also called quail. It is small bird with shiny feathers. Quail is very famous for its sweet voice. A cuckoo is a type of long-tailed bird that's known for laying its egg in the nests of other birds. Have you seen the Cuckoo Bird by Swapna Dutta? Have you seen the cuckoo bird with raven-colored wing? Although I haven't seen one yet, I have often heard her sing. The cuckoo on our champak tree is hidden from our sight because the leaves are thick and close, but how she sings at night. Cuckoo, cuckoo, said the bird. I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. This is a champak tree. Hope you enjoy this session.